Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is International Day for the Eradication of Poverty. The International Day for the Eradication of Poverty is held annually on 17th October. It aims to promote understanding and dialogue between people living in poverty and wider society. The day provides an opportunity to acknowledge the effort and struggle of people living in poverty, a chance for them to make their concerns heard, and a moment to recognize that poor people are the first ones to fight against poverty. Through Resolution 47/196, adopted on 22nd December 1992, the UN General Assembly declared 17th October as the International Day for the Eradication of Poverty. The day underscores poverty as a multidimensional phenomena that includes both a lack of income and a lack of basic capabilities to live in dignity, including unsafe housing, lack of nutritious food, limited access to healthcare, dangerous work conditions, unequal access to justice, and lack of political power. Strong global partnerships between governments, businesses, and civil society organizations are vital to achieving equitable development and ensuring no one is excluded or left behind. Poverty refers to a condition in which people or communities lack the financial resources and other essentials for a minimum standard of living. In September 2022, the World Bank set the international poverty line at USD 2.15 using 2017 prices. Global Multidimensional Poverty Index 2022. 415 million individuals in India were able to escape multidimensional poverty in the last 15 years between 2005 to 2006 and 2019 to 2021, with the incidence of poverty exhibiting a sharp drop from 55.1% to 16.4%. Multidimensional Poverty Index. The MPI is a comprehensive measure of poverty that assesses various deprivations experienced by individuals in multiple dimensions. The MPI was developed by the Oxford Poverty and Human Development Initiative and the United Nations Development Programme, first launched in 2010. It measures poverty through 10 indicators across 3 dimensions: health, education, and standard of living. Now it's time for the practice question. Which region has significant concentrations of multidimensional poverty? North America, Europe, Sub-Saharan Africa, and South Asia, Australia. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.